In typical Jamaica fashion, Aya is going to break the stinking toe.
Yeah.
Alright, go Aya.
Alright, let me show you my way.
Yeah, man. And those who grew up in a country know what it is like now. This are asham. Are two things we can choke you, don't it?
Yes. And you remember what the elders used to tell us? That if we choke on it, they're going to have to force feed us with pig feces. And they didn't say it so nicely. So that deterred us, most of us, from eating stinking toe.
So how many persons have ever had stinking toe before? Let me know. What are your fondest memories of it?
Talk.
Very powdery. Very powdery, but very useful thing. I remember you have my plant and quiz page that you can guess a lot of these Jamaican stuff. Well, they grow other places because they're big in Brazil, don't it? And you can actually come to Aya store in Boston, Portland, where she sells the